Have you ever wondered about the significance of water conservation, especially in your own garden? Its importance on both a global and local scale cannot be overstated. It benefits not just the environment, but your pocket too. One excellent way to conserve water at home is through a DIY rainwater harvesting system. A DIY rainwater harvesting system is an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution to water your garden. This system captures rainwater to be reused, promoting sustainable gardening practices by saving water and reducing utility bills. Setting up a DIY rainwater harvesting system is simpler than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up your own rainwater harvesting system. You'll need a rain barrel, a downspout diverter, a spigot, and a mesh screen. First, identify a downspout near your garden for the setup. Cut the downspout to fit the diverter, then connect the diverter to the downspout. The diverter's purpose is to channel rainwater into your barrel while preventing overflow. Now attach the spigot to your barrel. This is where you'll be fetching the water. Top off your barrel with a mesh screen to keep debris and insects out. Once everything is in place, wait for the rain. When it comes, your system will collect and store rainwater, ready for use in your garden. Remember, regular maintenance is key. Clean the mesh screen and the barrel periodically to ensure water hygiene. With these steps, you're now ready to install a DIY rainwater harvesting system in your garden. We hope you found this guide useful and are excited to start conserving water in your garden. By subscribing, you'll gain access to more handy tips and tricks. Your likes help us grow, offering more green thumb wisdom. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful, and do subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Happy gardening!